Okay, I have a few rental properties that I need to bring up to code. State of Texas, County of Harris, and the City of Houston. All different rules for a rental property. I need to come into compliance. The first thing is you can't have double-sided deadbolts where there's a deadbolt on both sides of the door. So this burglar bar, I had to install this thumb lock. Now it is in compliance. Now it's okay. Mainly it's a visual deterrent. Most burglars won't be able to see behind here to see that this is here. But now I don't have to remove it like I had to previously. The video here is about drilling a hole in a metal door for a door viewer. This is a door viewer we will be installing. And the problem I had is all the instructions online, even for the metal doors, told you to use a metal drill to drill a hole in it. But when I did that, it would tear the thin sheet metal of the door, and the hole would be a lot bigger, and it wouldn't be round than what was required, which is 9/16. So there are a few things you need. The first is some silicone, whatever. And if you'll see on here, this is the outside part here. There's a little channel around here that you can put silicone in. So when you stick it in, I guess it helps secure it as well as keeps the water out. You'll also need a measuring tape and a pencil or a mechanical pencil or a marker or whatever the hell you want to use to precisely mark out the location of where you want the hole to be. People suggest that it be, viewable by all people in the house. Whatever. The most important thing is you need a drill and this here. This is a bi-metal hole saw. There's two components to it. This is a one I bought was a Morse. They didn't sell it at Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. 9/16 is a weird size. It's a Morse Master Cobalt 9/16 made in America. Bi-metal hole saw. You'll also need an arbor. I believe this model is the M24K, whatever. It basically has this drill bit in it that drills in first, guides it, and this cuts the hole. You can remove this and put a different size one on. So yeah. This would be my third door. I've tried making videos on each door, and for whatever reason I've screwed up the other two doors. So this is the third door. Let's hope I get it right. I just didn't include everything I should have included in it. So you want to go slow. I don't know if I'll go slow, but you should start slow. So that starts it. You don't want to put much pressure on it. Keep the pressure light. And bingo. So now you have a hole. It's a very, very nice hole. Before, just the metal bit, this would tear and rip, and that's not good. So what you're gonna want to do next is make sure you're straight, whatever. Go straight through the door. And you'll feel the other side. And you'll drill. until it pops through. The guide bit pops through. And on the other side, you'll have this. And it's the same deal. You do it on the outside. And there you go. It's a very nice 9/16 hole to install your door side on. It's pretty dang easy. And I think I've now mentioned everything I wanted to mention. So soon we will be in further compliance with a rental property code. The next thing I'll have to figure out is how to change these burglar bars so that they can remove in case of a fire. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that. If anybody has any ideas, let me know. Thank you.